Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the day where I'm going to be showing you how to make placemat organizer. To put your sewing machine on, and then you got your organizer down at the bottom. So, before we get started, I want to thank all of the subscribers that's come to my channel. I'm wanting to reach enough, I don't know, where I could start doing live videos. And so that would be awesome to do a live video channel. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Now you can use whatever placemats you want, but it's got to be where you have to sew. Okay. Some of you may not want pockets, then you just take a placemat and just put it up on your machine and you're good to go. But I want pockets, and so now I have two machines that I'm going to be doing this for. And this one here I'm going to do for my new sewing machine. And I love this sucker, let me tell you. So, you know, we're going to have fun. So this is a redo. This is a remake video. And so we're going to get started. I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's see the angles. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to decide what you want your machine to lay on. Sorry for my dogs. Hold on a minute. Okay, sorry guys. I had to settle my dogs. Okay, so you're going to take your placemats and you're going to decide whatever you want to do. And I didn't like this part right here, so I'm using the buffalo check, and I'm going to use a little bit of it. But anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to take your two placemats and you're going to put them together, and you're going to sew all the way down. And I've already did this one. So you're going to sew all the way down. And then what you're going to do is you'll have two placemats. Let me show you. You're going to have two long placemats. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom part, and what I did was I laid my machine on top, and I'll show you. I laid it on top, and then that way I folded my pocket up to see how far I want it. And this is going to be good right here. So you're going to take it off, but what you want to do is when you fold it, wonder clip it, take some wonder clips and put it like this, so that way you have where you want your pocket. Or if you don't have these clips, you can use pins. It might be a little thick, and then you're going to take it off your machine. And it's going to look like this. So you got them clipped on each side, because now that's where you're going to create your pockets. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take, if you got the friction pin where it races off heat, whatever, you can use that. I'm using my chalk pencil. It don't show up all the way, but I'll be going over it, so it's very light. It's enough where I can see it. And I've got my pins where I'm going to sew. So that's one way that you can do that, is you're going to want to find out where you want. You can have a big pocket. You can have whatever size pockets you want. It's all up to you. I got enough in here. I've got 2 rotary cutters. So I've got a big enough pocket where my rotary cutter will work in these pockets. And then I've got my ruler, which is a 2.5. It's a 2.5 by 8. It says. And I got this from Missouri Star, and I love this ruler. I mean, I love it. It gives you the perfect 2.5-inch strips, but I just love it. And then I got this ruler from them, and it is a 5-inch by 15. 5-inch by 15, and this gives you the perfect to cut out 5-inch squares. This one right here gives you the perfect, and I got this one from Missouri Star. So you're just going to lay your ruler down, and you're going to mark it, and then you're going to keep going, and you're going to mark it, and then you're going to pin where you've marked your pockets. It's not that hard, but that's how you do this. And you're just going to keep going. And I've already got my pockets marked. I've got them marked already. So, okay, so we're going to recap. So you take your 2 placemats, you're going to put them together, and you're going to sew straight down. And then you're going to have a flap, like you do a quilt, and then you put them together, but you're not going to do that. I just sewed it straight down to sew that down. And then you're going to make your pockets however you want it. Let's see. Just one here. I'm just readjusting mine. And then I'm going to put I'm just marking, I'm just redoing my Wonder Clips here. Okay, so what you're going to do is Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to take it to the machine and you're going to sew it straight down and then straight down. So I'm going to go take it to the machine and I'm going to do that, and then I will meet y'all right back. Okay. I've got it sewed down. I've got these sewed down, this side, and I've got this side sewed down. Okay, now, so I put a little mark of where my pockets are going to be. So now I'm going to go sew down my pockets, and I will meet y'all right back. Okay, I left this last one to show you, and what I got to do is roll up this, no, I'm going to take it like this. I'm going to lay it down and make sure that you reinforce the top and the bottom. Back stitch it. I tell you, I love this machine. And it's got a quilting foot and a walking foot that come with it. Okay, now we are done. So all you're going to do is cut your threads. You cut all those strings. And we are done. You can do a zigzag, whatever stitch you want to use, you can use. So we are done. And so what I have going, oh, here's. So now you can put your stuff down in here. Your ruler, whatever scissors. I can put my little deal right there. So just however you want to do it. And there you go. Now you can put your machine under it. So now, there you go. But you can see how it hangs. And there you go. You've got your sewing machine organizer. And it's neat. And I like it. It's thick. So, yes. And this is going to go up under my machine. So, there we go. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And you will get, also ring that bell and you'll get notified of videos I put up. So I hope this video helps the ones that wanted a remake. and I will see y'all later on another video. Okay, bye-bye.